How to get McDonald's promo code. Hey everybody, welcome back to official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get McDonald's promo code and use it. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web application. At the top search bar, type in McDonald's promo code. As you do so, you will see multiple websites. Just tap on any one of them. Then here you will see a list of all the promo codes. To view it, tap on Show Details. At this section, tap on Copy Code. And if you would like to use the code right away, then tap on Go to McDonald's website. Get logged into your account, and while placing an order, just paste the copied code and then you will be good to go. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more helpful contents like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.